Are you actually eating whole grain foods? Use this trick to see if you're being deceived by packaging.
But what are whole grain foods? Packaging can be deceiving.
So I encourage people to try to match the 5-to-1 rule, which is that there should be 1 gram of fiber for every 5 grams of carbohydrates. So if you look at the label on your bread or your tortilla or your breakfast cereal or whatever, you look at the number of carbohydrates, look at the number under fiber on the nutrition label, and it should be 5-to-1 or less. So if there's 20 grams of carbohydrates, you want to make sure there's at least 4 grams of fiber. If there isn't, there's more processing happening than the label will have led you on.